today for our event. There we go. Ang sarap tingnan. Okay, last two tables to receive their all-in Greenwich pizza. Hindi natin siya. Wait. Okay, wala pa. Para mga 2 minutes delivery time. Ayun na! Okay, there we go. Our pizzas are on their way. We have care of Greenwich. And again, for those of you who want to post on all your social media platforms, don't forget to use our hashtag SarapToPLG Fan Meet. We are now complete with our pizzas. Okay, how do you guys feel when you guys think about yung pizzas ng Greenwich?
Grabe. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Talagang all in ang sarap nito from the crust, to the sauce, to the loaded, to the eggs, toppings. Feel ko talaga.
Feel mo talaga. Ayun. Okay, ito naman. Donnie, how do you feel about itong all-in pizza natin?
Ito, gusto ko lang mainit. Pero agree ako kayo, lahat ng dito na all-in, crispy, soft, crust, adds exciting texture. Siyempre ito, all-in Greenwich pizza. Kaya, konti na lang uubusin na namin ito.
Yes, actually. Parang ano siya yung perfect match natin lahat, di ba? Nasa kanya na yung ang lahat. Pero ito, Bianca, how do you feel about our Greenwich pizza?
Grabe, halos hindi na ako makasalita ni Nikki because we're so excited to try this because it looks so good. And tama nga yung sabi ni Rafa, very flavorful in every bite because it's loaded to the edge.
Yes, loaded to the edge again of our own Greenwich pizza. Ikaw naman, Esmir, ano ang feels mo with our Greenwich pizza?
Oh my gosh!
Flabbergasted!
Sobrang beto na ito talaga yung mga Greenwich pizza. Actually, ano? Parang galing ko tikman.
Let's go! Okay, guys,
Grabe, loaded sa sarap kaya sarap yung PUG talaga ng Greenwich. Diba?
yes. O, diba? Okay, guys.
Don't forget to share with your barcadas, friends, and family.
Tama. Kaya naman, again, Greenwich is your perfect partner with all of your family and friend gatherings. Again, this is the Greenwich all-in pizza. There you go. Okay. Will, masarap ba?
Sobrang grabe. Kahit
Gusto ko nga matry nila eh. Gusto nyo ba?
Ayan na. Mag-taste na natin ang favorite pizza ni John Pangilinan, ang all-in Greenwich pizza. Served by yours truly, John Pangilinan. Diba? Ay, last piece! Perfect. Okay, tapos na yung kay Donnie. Ikaw naman, Esmir.
Ay, parang di mo naman iwan sa akin. Tony, ano yung parang Ulit yung kinuha ko yung pizza, ha? Ito na po. Yung Korea.
Perfect.
Hello, guys.
Guys, we want it fast. Again, this is our Greenwich all-in pizza. Ang favorite ni John Pangilinan. There you go. Okay, Team Esmir. Okay, for Team Bianca naman, tapos na yung slice niyo dyan.
Grabe, ako talagang agad is really bursting with flavor, no? Kaya nung lagi namin sinasabi this year na nilalaro ko sa bibig namin. It's really, ikaw, hindi kayo masasabi mo,